This is the Philippines, a chain of more than 7,000 islands, sitting at one of the most geologically dangerous locations on Earth. To its west lies the South China Sea. To its east, the vast Philippine Sea. And to the south are the waters of the Celebes Sea. But it is not the seas above that make this region dangerous. It is what lies hidden beneath them. On the morning of June 8, 2026, the silence beneath the Philippines was shattered. A massive undersea earthquake struck off the coast of Mindanao, measuring magnitude 7.8, one of the strongest in recent years. Let's understand the intensity of earthquakes through a pendulum movement. At magnitude 2.0 to 3.0, the Earth is almost quiet. Only sensitive instruments can detect the movement. The impact is very limited and usually only noticeable near the center point of the earthquake. At magnitude 4.0, the shaking becomes noticeable. People clearly feel the ground movement. Objects may shift from their place, and minor structural cracks can begin. The impact spreads further from the center compared to lower magnitudes. At magnitude 5.0, the shaking becomes stronger and more persistent. Weak structures begin to show visible damage. Cracks can spread through walls, and unstable objects may fall. The impact is no longer localized and can be felt across a wider area from the center point. At magnitude 6.0, the shaking becomes intense and difficult to ignore. Structural damage becomes more serious, especially in weaker buildings. Walls can fracture, and parts of buildings may begin to fail. The impact spreads widely from the center, affecting entire regions. And the earthquake that struck the Philippines on June 8, 2026, was a magnitude 7.8. And this was not the first time the country has faced such powerful seismic events. Time and again, in 1990, 2013, 2019, 2023, and now in 2026, the Philippines has been struck by powerful earthquakes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.